Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 35 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. Before we start, you can pair this watch with the Android phone in two ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process of the watch. Basically, if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, and the other way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because you can set it up without pairing it with a phone. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Okay, so let's continue. We need to turn on our watch, and to do it, press and hold the light button. Once you see the Garmin logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the list of languages on the screen. And you can scroll through this list by using the down button. Select the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you select it, press the activity button to continue. And as you can see, now we're being asked if we want to pair our watch with a smartphone. We want to do it, so select yes and press activity button. And now we need to download the Garmin Connect application on our phone. Because we already entered the pairing mode, as you can see, ready to pair. So we entered the pairing mode on our watch. Now we need to download the app. So open the App Store. Of course, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Then type in Garmin Connect. And on the list of apps, you should see Garmin Connect app. Tap on install. And once the app is done installing, tap on open. Sometimes you will need to log in into an account. As you can see, already I'm logged in. But if you don't see this page with continue button, basically it will look something like this. Basically, you will have the create account or sign in. And if you don't have an account, tap on create account. If you have an account, type on sign in and log in into account. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, next, and I will log into an account. So give me a couple of seconds. Okay. And after we log in, the app should start searching for the nearby devices. And if your watch is in the pairing mode, it will detect it. But before that, as you can see, we have a pop-up about the connect to access in nearby devices. We need to allow this permission, so tap on allow access and allow. Okay, and now the app detected our watch. Tap on connected, allow. Enter the code from the watch. Tap on pair. Here tap next. Set up the bedtime, basically the time on which you go to bed and the time you wake up. This is useful if you want to use the do not disturb mode during sleep. So we can tap on the bedtime, set it to something, then the wake time, and then we can tap on next, and here you're being asked if you want to enable the do not disturb mode during sleep. Basically mute the notifications while you're sleeping. If you want to enable it, tap on yes. If you don't care, tap on no. Here we can edit the goals for our activities like steps, elevation of the floors and stuff like that. If you want to keep the goals default, tap on keep default goals. But if you want to edit them, tap on edit goals, and here we can change the goals by tapping on the bracket and entering a value we like. And you can also do the same for the fluid consumption and the intensity minutes per week. And then you can tap on next. Next we have the notification access. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and skip this step. If you want to receive the notifications, tap on allow and allow. Then we have the location permission. This is useful for features like weather, tracking your location on the map while you're running, cycling and stuff like that, and few other functions. So if you want to use them, allow the location permission. If you don't care, tap on skip and keep it disabled. And if you tap on allow location permission, it will redirect you here. Tap on permissions, location, and allow, and then go back. Next we have the calendar access. This is useful if you want to see the events from your calendar pop up on your watch and stuff like that. If you don't care, tap on skip. If you want to allow it, tap on allow. Next we have the call log access. This is useful for the notifications and managing your calls or call access, phone call access on your watch. I believe you only need it for the notifications about calls. So if somebody calls you, it displays who is calling you and the number. If you don't care, you can skip it. If you want to allow it, tap on allow access. Next we have the phone call access. So before we had not phone call, but I believe phone history. Anyway, another phone permission, allow it or deny it. Then we have the messages, SMS, allow it or deny it. And finally, once we're done with the permissions, tap on sync now. Finish. And you should see the home page now. And once you tap on more Garmin devices, you should see your Forerunner 35 on the list of devices, and you can tap on it to open the settings page for it. Okay, now I'm gonna disconnect it from our phone, and we're gonna pair it through the settings. So to enter the pairing mode through the settings, you need to press and hold the back button to open the menu like this. Then you need to use the down button to scroll through the menu and find the settings option. Once you find it, press the not start button but activity button to enter. Here we have the Bluetooth option. Select it and press activity. Then scroll down, select the per smartphone, press the activity, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. Now you can download and install the app. If you have it installed, just open it. In the app, if you're logged in, you need to tap on more Garmin devices and add device, and the app will start searching for the nearby devices. It should detect your watch, and basically we need to repeat the same steps. So allow, enter the pin from the watch, tap on pair, deal with the bedtime goals. You may be asked for the permissions again. I won't be, because I already allowed them or denied them and stuff like that. So basically we need to repeat the same steps as we did before. Okay, next the bedtime, the goals, sync now, finish, and you should see the home page after you're done, and more Garmin devices, and your watch should be here. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.